Today, I met a client with naturally full, beautiful brows. But one brow sat slightly higher than the other.
Hapus terus
Naikin.
Menurut aku bukan solusi yang tepat. Kenapa? Karena sayang alis aslinya. Kecuali kalau kamu mau, kamu bisa treatment botox gini. Nah, lihat tuh. Gini aja udah beda banget kan, Sis?
She came in thinking she needed her brow to be done. But honestly, not every solution starts with a needle. As a brow artist, I always ask, how can I enhance, not change, what's already beautiful? In her case, a little mapping, trimming, and grooming was all it took. No pigments, no needle, just balance. Because true artistry is about doing more. It's about knowing when less is more.
Biasanya diterima, ini ditolak.